I'm going to do a short review over a Dewalt 20 volt max XR multi-tool. Number is DCS355. I have a 4 amp hour battery in it with 2 bars on the fuel gauge. I have a wood with nails blade in it. Let me tell you a little bit about the tool itself. It has a pull trigger with a lock right here. It has a quick attachment for the blade. It has a LED light on top. That's about it. Let's see if we can try to cope this piece of crown mold right here with it one-handed. Let's see how it works out. Sorry about that, guys. My battery cut out on me, but I finished the cut off, and it's terrible. It's terrible for doing it one-handed. But you know what? I could definitely make this work with some caulk, and it cut everything away that it needed to cut. And for one-handed with a multi-tool, I'd say that you could definitely use it if you was in a jam and you needed to get it done and you didn't have a coping saw, or maybe your blade broke or something on your coping saw. So my review over this tool is that I like it and it's worth having. So thanks. See you later.